We're in the end game now.
Okay, so I just got here and I forgot that it's school holidays. I should have made this for another date because there are so many fucking people here. Like, it could be any one of them. It could be this kid, it could be that lady, it could be the guy in the van here, it could be any one of them. I don't know who Real Big Duck Fan is. This lady seems really invested in the ducks here, so there's a chance. But I don't know, like, I'm gonna get arrested, dude, if I try and put the kayak on this lake. I'm gonna get fucking arrested. Well, I'm just looking around to see if I know it. There are people looking at me, probably because I'm filming them. But, you know, I said I'd do it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get the kayak off the car, and I'm gonna head in. I'm just having a look here. It says warning. These activities are prohibited in this area, so you can't go swimming. Don't know why you'd want to. Don't know why you'd want to go fucking kayaking either. But you can't go swimming. You can't go fishing, which I think is a bit of a fucking ruse, because as you'll see in a sec, there's just giant tilapia in here. The government loves protecting them for some reason. And also, we can't feed birds. You can't feed the ducks. I'm sure Real Big Duck Fan has broken that before. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm just going to go for a walk around, I think, because I don't really want to go kayaking in this fucking duck pond. It just doesn't, I don't want to do it unless he's here. So yeah, this is a bit of a flop so far, but we'll try and find him. Alright, so doing a bit of a wander around the lake here. Geez, some of these tilapia are huge. I'm hoping that one pops up so I can film it. It's so shallow. There's a big turtle there. It's so fucking shallow, what the hell? Jesus. Yeah, I don't know why anyone would want to. Oh, Jesus. Fuck me. How you doing, man? You ever heard of anyone kayaking in here, mate?
No, not yet.
Okay. I think I might be the first one to do it today.
Vibrate!
Looks a bit deeper here. There are so many fucking people around. I don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this. Oh my fucking god. Well, there's heaps of people. I think that deep area is going to be the best spot to do it. But hey, I'm not sure. I'm not doing it unless he's here, because otherwise this is just a prank at that point. Maybe it was planned for the school holidays, although I'm the one that set the date, so that's probably not true. But I'm not like. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna fucking go. Hit the abort button. Well, this has not been fun. There are so many people. Oh, he's got to be one of those kids over there, right? Look how many ducks there are. Those kids are loving it. There's no one here. There's no one that I know here. There's no Real Big Duck Fan. He was a lie. This was a prank to get me to come to this fucking duck pond in Underwood. Not exactly too hype on that. As you can see, there ain't anyone. Like, well, it could be anyone, but like no one's come forward and said shit. So fuck this. I was absolutely lied to. Whoever it was, what a horrible idea for a prank. I am not kayaking. I'm fucking going home. This is and it appears there is some kind of note on my vehicle. Well, that is disconcerting slightly. Let's put this on. I might need two hands to melee fight anyone. You said you would go kayaking. There will be consequences. Real Big Duck Fan. And he's drawn what I think is a chicken. I believe that's a chicken. I don't know whose handwriting. Who the fuck is it? What the fuck? It's not funny. I kind of want to go, but I kind of also said I'd do it, so there will be consequences. Are my tires slashed? No, 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 no. Jesus fuck. Alright, I said to do it, let's do it. Alright, undoing the kayak. So looking forward to getting the police called on me for kayaking in a fucking duck pond. There's so many people around and they're all going to be looking at me like, what the fuck is wrong with you? This is like a little fucking, oh my god. Is that the cops? No, sweet, okay. I'm actually fucking nervous. This is such a horrible idea. Okay.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
How you going? Yeah, just a quick paddle, a quick dip. Yeah. No, not fishing, no.
We will have plenty of people having rooms about it.
Yeah, about the
Park
fishing and
rangers are
stuff.
here.
Right, okay, yep, too easy.
Yeah,
Yep.
no, and they will. They'll have big gummy splits because we've got signs up there.
Yeah.
But no, apart from that, knock yourself out.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Too easy, will do.
If you accidentally had some jump in your little kayak, then happy days.
Accidentally, of course. Too easy, have a good one. Was I filming that? Because I hope I was filming that. I'm not sure if I was filming that. The council just fucking came and saw me with a fucking kayak. Oh my god. That the councilwoman came by as I was getting a kayak on the roof to go kayaking in this fucking duck pond. That shouldn't have happened, but it did, and now she didn't say it wasn't allowed, so I have no other option than to go kayaking in the duck pond. Alright. Just had to add a few more things here to the kayak. Gotta get the anchor, just in case, you know. Might be a couple currents out there. I've heard that there's been a few shipwrecks and whatnot. Boats just without anchor, the wind comes by, pushes them to shore, and it's just not good for anyone, so we don't want that happening to us. And also a chair, because it's a long paddle out there to get anywhere if you want to go. And yeah, I don't want to have a really sore back 10 minutes into this venture, you know. I'm out here for the long haul. Look at all the ducks. They're like, fuck this. It's so fucking shallow. Why am I doing this? I want to be killed. Alright. Got a big duck vent. I hope this is sufficient for you, mate. Oh my fucking god. Alright, we're doing it. It smells awful. Proper fucking awful. Yeah. I'm really coming around to it though. This is the shit. Literally. Because there's just duck shit everywhere. This is what I want. I'm changing the channel to Duckpond Kayaker's Diary. This is amazing. Why did I ever think this was a bad idea? Oh, let's go see some ducks. Wow. This is incredible. It smells so fucking awful out here. It's even worse when you're on the water. This pond is all just duck shit. Oh, what a beautiful day to go kayaking in a duck pond. The council approved duck pond kayaking, Nat Sharky Shorten's Adventures. I can't get over this smell. These people over here are looking at me. Can hardly blame them for that. This is just not... This is not what you want to see when you go to a local duck pond with your kids. I'm just looking at some ducks off of a kayak. It's the best spot to see ducks, really. I'm sure many people can attest to that. Bird viewing's never been this visceral and in your face, and there are more people coming who are now seeing this guy in a pink shirt kayaking in a duck pond, and I am quite frankly, if this I can't see Real Big Duck Fan, by the way, I can't see anyone. If my next question is, of course, that if this doesn't show the viewers that I'm totally, completely and utterly out of ideas for this channel, I don't know what does. Look at me. Look at me. I think that's the right idea. Let's swing back around. Maybe have a chat to some people up here. How you doing, guys? You'll ever kayaked in a duck pond before?
I'm not.
It is amazing. It is the most exhilarating adventure I've ever had. Sorry? You want to have a go, mate? Dude, it's pretty enthralling.
Where do you want us to meet you?
Probably not a great idea, just in case, you know. You're not allowed to swim here, mate. You can kayak, but you can't swim, all right?
I don't know if you have to.
You can kayak. The council told me that I can kayak here. You gotta bring a kayak. It's amazing. Kayaking in a duck pond is the most thrilling adventure of a lifetime. Yeah, I sure do. About 17. PewDiePie is next, boys. Yeah, I think a round of applause is in order because I did this awful fucking thing. Who is that? Hello. Who are you, suspicious man? Who are you? Oh my god, it's him! It's him! Ah! I see it! That's gotta be him! He was filming me! That's gotta be him! Ah! He's so quick! He's so fast! I've never met a man this quick before. Who is it? He's wearing a hoodie. I can't tell who it is. Is that you, Real Big? Is that you, Real Big? Oh my god! No, I gotta get out of the car. I wanna get my feet wet. Shit! Fuck! No! Oh fuck! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh no! No! Real Big! No! What? I don't know! Oi! Oi! Mate! Oi! Oh! Yeah, he stole my integrity. That has been stalking me for months, telling me to go kayaking in a duck pond. And I didn't get a good view of him. Did anyone get his plate?
No, but I chased him down and he was on too quick.
Too fast. He ran so quickly. Did you see it?
He looked like me. I could have catched him easy, bro.
Do you reckon we could draw a picture of him?
Wasn't that?
Oh, you reckon I could probably chase him down?
What did he take?
He didn't take anything.
He was slow as.
I don't know.
He looked pretty slow.
I think he's gotten away this time.
Yeah.
He's been commenting on my YouTube videos for months, telling me to go kayaking in a duck pond. I finally did it and I said...
He might have been filming you.
He was, yeah, he was.
Come on over there.
Do you want to see a video on his channel?
He's a pretty idiot.
That's pretty fast if he's like stalking you.
This is actually alarming as it gets, boys. Here we go. Here's the guy here. He's posted 3 videos. All of them at this lake. If it wants to load.
Maybe he's stalking all of us.
What the fuck?
Is he
And he
videoing
comments,
you?
yeah, and no, he's videoing the ducks, and he comments on every one of my videos. If we have a look at my videos here, I've only got like 500 or some shit. Video here, there he is. Comments that on every video for the past 2 months.
That's weird. That's
Extremely.
pretty fucked up, bro.
If he comes back, you're not
Wait.
like...
That's him.
That's him.
That's him. Get ready, boys, we're fighting. Kayak. Duckpond. Fuck, fuck,